want to rake in the big bucks? Do you want to explore the cosmos? Do you yearn for the mines? Well, we got an opportunity for you! Become a gem pilot today! You don't even need training! This baby could do it! That's money, baby! Our motherships will locate planet clusters and shoot drills into them! It's your job to drill into the center of these broke planets and dig those gems! You may ask, isn't putting yourself in a cramped pod miles below the surface with monsters and traps surrounding you kind of dangerous? Ha ha ha! Yeah, it is! But here at GemCore, we laugh in the face of death.
In Vinterget, you must brave the mountain in the short platformer. Use your axe as a grappling tool to skillfully swing across multiple challenging levels. Fight through the perils of the snowy mountains of Vinterget. Froggin Up is a tall platformer with a small frog who sets out to explore the world. Play in the story mode to learn the roots and hear the story behind the frog, or challenge your skills with the time trials and race for the best time. Welcome to the memorizing world of Spellbound Survivors, a single-player action roguelike game, where you embark on an epic adventure, conquer maps, and acquire mighty powers and gear up for an ultimate showdown with the formidable Overlord Wizard. Your destiny unfolds in this captivating journey. Panoptia is a narrative-driven, atmospheric exploration game about a strange building called Panoptia. This has mysteriously appeared in the town. No one knows what secrets hide in its depths, so uncover these secrets if you hope to ever escape. Karina Katana is a classic 2D style action adventure in a world divided into individual levels with 8 exciting biomes. You level up your skills to traverse through different worlds and fight 8 different types of enemies. Every opponent has a different strength and weakness. You need to recognize them and use them against them. Flow of War is a classic RTS with indirect control. Workers perform their tasks and your army will be fighting automatically. This frees up your hands to focus on building a strategic defense base and crafting your army's combos with mighty heroes to destroy the enemies on an endless procedurally generated map. Onward and Upward DX will make you climb from the Earth to the Moon to try and solve an urban legend. Brave through challenges as you float and grapple your way up to the tune of a great soundtrack. Be sure to bring a spacesuit though and get climbing. Fire Race is a racing game that demands precision. Embark on a world tour, competing to secure the first place while navigating banana peels, piles of sand, and dangerous stalactites.